What's up, nerds? I'm Joe from Sawicki Speed. Today we're putting in a system on our Softail ST. I guess first thing we're going to do is put our flanges and clips on. So you want to put the flange in. There's a recessed area that goes in with the area coming out of it. Then the clip goes on after. It's very important to make sure that when this is in, this flange comes up and that clip sits inside the recessed area of the flange. Next, we'll go ahead and throw in our gaskets. These are tapered and they go in a certain way. Flat side goes into the engine. Y'all gotta make me look. Next, we wanna go ahead and get our brackets installed. First, I like to go ahead and put the saddle bracket together. There's some dogs that this goes into, and the bolt goes through the outside. This bracket goes on in this direction over the muffler bracket, and you take your two supplied bolts 9/16 and they bolt into the chassis. All right, next we'll start with our primaries. We need to get our flanges on, we need to get our oxygen sensors in. So we want to take our O2 reducers, install them into our ports. Take 7/8, we'll just snug it up. Go ahead and install our oxygen sensors. Not too tight. Moving on to the rear. All right, after you get your flanges and new seals and gaskets in, your oxygen sensors are in place and ready to put a muffler on. Start with the top primary, the rear one. Just start it and then bring the rear or the lower one in. You have to rotate the pipe until the saddle meets up with the bracket. Then you take your dog bone supplied in the kit, just slide it back. You take your 1/2" bolts also supplied with the kit and start them. Okay, everything's loose. That's exactly how we like it. All right, so first we want to go ahead and just snug down all of our flange nuts to about hand tight. After we get the flange nuts hand tight, we'll start from our top flange nut on both sides to 10 foot-pounds and then go down to 10 foot-pounds on both sides. Okay, once that's torqued, we'll go back, tighten up our brackets here. First, we're going to tighten up our muffler bracket to the muffler, then we'll come down and tighten our 9/16 to the chassis. Next, we're going to go ahead and put our mid control system back together. There's a grommet here. This side cover just pops into this grommet, and there's two little screws here. All right, next is our bag. Line it up with the grommet with the ST support. And slide it in. And next, we're going to put on our spring tabs. All right, last but most important, take some brake clean or some denatured alcohol and wipe off all your fingerprints.